called you for a very specific purpose to educate the public in Goa and also the tourists about a serious problem which is occurring in Goa and also in other parts of the country and even abroad. This crime is called skimming of debit or credit card using certain machines, and there are certain devices and technologies used in this. In simple form, whenever anybody uses a debit or credit card in a ATM machine in which this skimmer has been fitted, all the details of his card are copied and also the PIN number is captured by a small pinhole camera. Is that whenever you are visiting any ATM or a machine, just check on the card inserting slot if there is an extra device which is attached. If you try to pull it, the extra thing will come out in your hand. We are going to show you clips also of how it is done. If that device is attached, and also you can find out that there is a camera attached. If that is so, immediately inform Goa Police and you can be rewarded 1000 rupees for discovery of such a device. And if based on this information we are able to catch the skimmer also, who will sometime later come to collect that device after he has collected all the details, then we may give that person a reward of 5000 rupees. Anyone including a constable or police officer or a media or anyone, if you discover that machine attached to any ATM machine skimming device, 1000 rupees will be rewarded to you. Please report it to the nearest police station. And if we are able to cash the skimmer, 5000 rupees will be given cash reward instantaneously. There are now good machines which are clone proof, but they are costly. So bank should actually install those machines where you cannot even clone and there is no place to fix the camera. है बहुत सारे डिवाइसेस इस तरह के, अब वो बनाया इस तरह स्कीमर बोल के थोड़ी बनाया उन्होंने. बेसिकली इट्स ए कार्ड रीडर. वो कार्ड रीडर का डिवाइस निकाल के आपने उसमें रीड करने के लिए शुरू कर दिया. हाँ, इट अपीयर्स टू बी एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम, क्योंकि एक आदमी डाटा निकालता है, वो डाटा किसी और को देता है, फिर वो डाटा से पैसा कोई और निकालता है, एंड these people move in a group. So last time we arrested 3 people. The next time we arrested 2 people. They both these groups were found to be connected with each other.
It's a good idea. But so last time I remember you should have advised to bank officials, asking them to regularly.
We will give reward to bank also.
Yeah.
वो भी ढूंढ ले और क्या, because they are sometimes not bothered because their money is insured.